This is going to be the most satisfying noise of all time. You see this? Yeah. See that? It's really, really, really good. It's like calm. Look, it's on my light. Now it's on my flag. You want to see how tall I am? That tall. I'm short because I'm 8. You know!
I was gonna say
no. I told you no. I said no. N-O. N-O. You chose not to listen to me.
and I was gonna brush my teeth
No.
out.
I told no.
Oh my gosh. Don't ask what that was all about. That was my brother just trying to FBI me. You see how they be annoying? My dad and my brother do that. It's so annoying. It's like they do that every day. I'm kidding. This is going right foot up. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. It's gonna go like this. Shortcut to Uno. Why did it say shortcut to Uno when I integrate? Oh, you guys wanted me to play Uno. Maybe. Been 2 minutes of this set. That's it, just in my robot. This is against wood. Ah, gosh. Sit, go. This is it against the wall. That was that. Then it's me. But then it's me versus fidget spinner. I feel so weird. No, I can't zoom. My Crocky. Crocky. Hey, today, mate. I'm an Australian. No, I think I'm not. Not even close. You wanna see? Oh, you wanna see how tall the robot is? He's that tall. You barely can even see him. He's that tall and I'm this tall. Here. My grandpa's here, so I might be back. See ya. Hello, so I'm back. So, guys, I'll just go play Uno. I'll see you.